Spring 2023 Budget, a summary for small business owners. Here is a quick summary on the Spring Budget as read by Jeremy Hunt, the Chancellor of the Exchequer, on 15th of March 2023. My name is Lena Odo from GHawk Accounting. My highlights only cover the items most relevant to small businesses in the UK, and I will start with business taxes. Corporation tax for businesses will increase from 19% to 25%. Businesses which make a profit of more than £250,000 will pay 25% corporation tax on their profits from April 2023. Businesses with a profit under £50,000 will continue to pay the current 19%. And between these two levels of profit, the rate of corporation tax will be calculated on a marginal rate depending on the parameters that have been set. Research and development tax credits, or R&D tax credits. Small or medium-sized businesses will be able to claim a credit worth £27 for every £100 they spend if they spend 40% or more of their total expenditure on research and development. Capital allowances. It was confirmed that the 130% super deduction will end at the end of March 2023, and this will be replaced by a new scheme which allows full capital expensing for the next 3 years. What full capital expensing means is that in the year of purchase, a business can claim 100% of the capital expenditure through their tax return instead of spreading the cost. In reality, this is not necessarily a new change because existing rules allow for this to be deducted from the taxable profit. Seed Enterprise Investment Scheme. This has been expanded. From 6th of April, the amount which a company can raise through the Seed Enterprise Investment Scheme will increase from £150,000 to £250,000. The objective of the Seed Enterprise Investment Scheme is to help smaller, riskier, earlier stage UK companies to attract investment. The scheme rules are complex, but investors can access income tax relief of up to 50% on their investment if they are found to be qualifying. Fuel duty. There's some good news for business owners who pay for fuel for business travel. The planned 11p rise in fuel duty has been cancelled and will maintain at last year's 5p cut for another year. Energy Bills Discount Scheme. This is a previous announcement that the new Energy Bills Discount Scheme for businesses will take effect from April 2023, giving eligible non-domestic consumers a per unit discount on wholesale prices for another full year. And now we move on to personal taxes. The personal allowance is the amount that you can earn tax-free. This has been frozen as of last year. It will not change and will remain at £12,570. Also, the tax thresholds will not change for the 2023-2024 tax year. It means generally anybody receiving an increase in salary to match the inflation rate will be getting a tax rise, because anything above the 12,570 will now fall under will now become taxable. The dividend threshold has been reduced. So the amount of dividend you can take from your business tax-free was previously £2,000 a year, and from 2023-2024 it will be reduced to £1,000. The capital gains tax threshold, this was currently 12,300 in 2022-2023, but will be reduced to £6,000 in the year 2023-2024. The annual allowance, this limits the income tax relief you can get on the pensions contributions made. So the annual allowance has been increased from £40,000 per year to £60,000 per year. It literally means that it means you can invest up to £60,000 in your pension without paying additional tax, but any contributions above the £60,000 will be subject to additional tax. The lifetime allowance, this is to be abolished. This was the cap that was put on the amount you can put into your pension savings over your lifetime without paying additional tax. The current limit was 1.07 million, which will be abolished from April 2023, obviously giving an incentive to people to continue saving more for their pension. And agent access to payroll benefits. So the Chancellor has indicated that the government will introduce an IT system to enable agents to file benefits in kind on behalf of their employers. So the HMRC Payrolling benefits system is a process that is operated in addition to the PAYE standard deduction rules, and it ensures that employees pay their taxes on a real-time basis. So when this takes place, it is expected that it will replace the existing P11 days. However, there has been no timescale given for when this will be implemented. And finally, there was an announcement of free childcare. This was perhaps the biggest announcement made. There will be 30 hours of free childcare for working parents in England, and this will be rolled out in stages from April 2024. So no doubt this is a big relief to parents who have to juggle growing family and either running a business or going to work. And I'm sure this is a welcome announcement. That is the end of the roundup. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.